What do developers want? More money? Less deadlines? Endless coffee? Sure. Effortless remote collaboration? Hell yeah. So whether you're a digital nomad, a freelancer, or simply a remote developer, I'm pretty sure you want to improve your communication with your team as well. And these VS Code extensions will let you do exactly that. Our first extension is called Live Share. If you've been working remotely for a while now, chances are that you're already familiar with this one. This popular extension lets you and your teammates to edit the code together right inside the VS Code. I would say it's the only big feature of this extension, and it's indeed big and good enough. You simply copy the invite link, send it to your teammate, and they can follow you around and both of you see when you edit each other's code. Very similar to how you would collaborate on Google Docs, for example. The next tool, GitLive, is a powerful combination of GitLive and some extra functionality. You can easily see if your teammates are online, what exactly branch they're working on, and even take a peek at their uncommitted changes, all updated in real time. And probably the biggest feature that it has is the merge conflict detection. It will provide you and your teammates warnings as soon as you start editing the same file. Next one is GistPad. Gists are a great way not only to create and sort code snippets, notes, or task lists for your private use, but also to easily share them with your colleagues for more casual collaboration. I really think gists are underestimated because most of us create repositories when we need to upload just one file, but you can easily avoid this by simply creating a gist instead. With GistPad, you can seamlessly do it straight from your VS Code editor if you connect it to your GitHub account. The next tool, To-Do Tree, will help you keep track of your technical debt, especially if you're one of those developers who likes leaving to-do comments all over the place. This extension is a lifesaver for me because it will quickly let me search my workspace for comment tags like to-do and fix me and display them in a tree view in the Explorer panel. Checking on a to-do from the tree will take you to the exact line that needs fixing, and it will also highlight it. Use it together with your teammates and make sure no task is going to be forgotten. With the extension called Code Tour, you can now easily onboard new members to your team. This handy extension allows you to record and play back guided walkthroughs of the codebase directly within the editor. Walkthroughs will be a sequence of interactive steps associated with a specific directory, file, or line that includes a description of the respective code. Code Tour will be a great way to explain your codebase and create interactive guidelines within VS Code for every new member in your team. Last but not least, GitLink. Simple and effective extension that just does one job. Allows you to open or send a link with selected code from your editor to your teammates who can view it on GitHub. Just go to any file you want, select some code, right-click, and let's click on Get Link, go to Online Link. And then you can simply copy that URL and send it to anyone you want. If there is one thing I would like to ask you in return is simply giving this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. And of course, kudos to Carlo Morrone for this great article. Check more of his content on dev.to, link in the description. And if you're still thinking to switching to remote working, then here's a video where I talk about my feelings towards this topic. I'm pretty sure you're gonna learn a lot of new things there as well.